Hey, it's Bob Nagin, and in this episode of Real Retail TV, we're going to explore how you can make your business a lot more fun. So before we get into how to make your business a lot more fun, I really want to encourage you to sign up for the Store Owner's Advantage. 3 moves that will help you strengthen and simplify your retail business. This 3-part series starts on September 29. If you're on the Retail Buzz, if you are subscribed to our list, you will automatically get it. If you're not subscribed yet, go to whizbangtraining.com. There's an H&Z sign up and you will get this 3-part series. I guarantee that it is going to be filled with information that you're going to love to help you think about your business in new, better, different ways. So, having said all of that, how do you make your business more fun? Let's start with this idea, I believe it's a truth, that retail and the world is changing more rapidly than ever. So think about this: COVID, tariffs, the rise of AI, they've all happened in the last 5 years. And it ain't going to slow down. It's only going to get faster. And change causes stress. Change causes anxiety. Every time there's this new disruption in the world, you have to adapt. I know people hate this word. You have to pivot, but you do. You have to do things differently. You have to think differently. You have to develop new skills. You have to develop new beliefs. You have to change. In order for things to change, you and your business must change. And although change can cause anxiety and change can be stressful, what I'm going to share with you has been incredibly helpful to me. So years, and I do mean years, in fact, it's decades ago, I bought Tony Robbins' Personal Power Program, 30 cassettes, $29.99, and I bought it from a late night infomercial. And that program was really the beginning of my self-development journey. I realized that I could change, and that was important. But one of the models that Tony taught, or I imagine still teaches, is what I'm going to share with you. And I've shared this with literally dozens of times. You might have even heard it from me. But okay, Bob the artist, think of this as your comfort zone and all the things that you know how to do and all the things that you enjoy doing and all the things that are easy to you now are inside of your comfort zone. But then stuff happens and all of a sudden you're forced to change. You're forced to change a belief. You're forced to create new habits. You're forced to learn new skills. And every time that happens, it creates a little bit of anxiety because those things are outside of your comfort zone. So here's what Tony taught, and here's what I'm going to share with you. You see that X right there? That is the thing that you need to learn to grow. The thing that you need to learn, the belief you need to change, the habit you need to develop to get past the stress, to get past the problems that you're experiencing right now. That X represents what you have to do. But now here's the thing. When you do it, your comfort zone expands. And really, the name of the game, how you grow, is you're always stepping just outside of your comfort zone. I mean, some people step way outside of their comfort zone and are comfortable with that. I'm suggesting that the way to lasting change is small changes. And so step outside of your comfort zone, do that thing. And the beautiful thing about stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying something that you're not familiar with, something that might be causing you anxiety, is when you do that, you get momentum, right? When you do that, you feel brave, you feel good, you feel more confident. And not only do you feel more confident, but you are becoming more competent. You are getting better. You are growing. You are growing as a business person, and by extension, you're growing as a person. When you learn to deal with the stressors in your business, you're better equipped to deal with the stressors at home. When you change your beliefs about a self-limiting belief, that affects every area of your life. When you become more confident as an entrepreneur, you become more confident as a person. So what I want to suggest to you, how you make your business more fun, is you embrace the change. When you feel a little anxious, think of it as an opportunity. Think of it as a chance to grow. Something that we're going to explore in the Store Owner's Advantage is this idea that every problem in your business points to the need to develop a new skill. So embrace it. Recognize that growth is good. And if you think of stress as an opportunity to do something good with yourself, as an opportunity to grow, it becomes fun. So rather than stress being something that holds you down, you recognize that stress is something that is going to liberate you. So that model has been so helpful to me, and I hope that it's helpful to you too. If you like this, put something down in the comments down below. And once again, starting on the 29th, the Store Owner's Advantage, 3 moves to help you strengthen and simplify your business. I hope to see you there.